Hi, this is Becca Levi, and welcome to my screen recording of my e-commerce website. I chose Amazon because it's literally the only one I ever use for any online shopping, which I seldom do anyway. It is owned by Amazon, and this here is the URL. The focus of Amazon is to sell different products. I know it began as just books, but it has quickly expanded into all kinds of different products you can buy. The first thing that I am answering, I guess, is the visually appealing question. Is it visually appealing? And I would say yes. I mean, the home page is here and it's not ugly. Cluttery for my taste, as is the today's deals page, but otherwise I find it visually appealing, and the colors contrast nicely with each other, so it's easy to kind of see what different stuff I'm looking for. It doesn't really incorporate social media in the way that other e-commerce sites might, except that it can link to your own social media and then show you products for things you've looked at on social media. I find it pretty easy to navigate. I mean, if you need to find today's deals or you're on Amazon, you just click right into those links. But since I'm not signed in, it won't let me look at that one. If you want to look at gift cards, it's right there. It's all very simple stuff, and you can check different boxes over here that I think help with navigation as well, because then it just narrows down your search to something you'd want. I'm going to go back to today's deals. Actually, I'll go back to the homepage because it answers the next question about ads and paid promotions. As you can see, there's a Geico ad over here, and that is different than the rest of the site because the rest of the site is selling Amazon products and that's selling insurance. I found it really simple to find different info that I needed, or even to search for products. Like I was searching for a planner earlier because I have a school supply addiction, and so I found it really easy to look for them, and then I could just like look at a certain brand if I wanted that. I could look for the planner year, like if I wanted last year. I don't know why I would, but if I did, it's available to me here. And you also have different sellers, so it's pretty simple, and it doesn't take long for me to find relevant information. So that concludes my video about Amazon.